Hello, everybody. Welcome you choose the course, The Exploration to the Original Spirit of Western Philosophy. I am the main teacher of this course, Wang Xiao. Why we titled this course, The Exploration to the Original Spirit of Western Philosophy. Let me explain a little first. Western philosophy is one kind of philosophy which has more than 2,600 years history. In this course, we will explore the primitive part of Western philosophy. In other words, we will talk about the original part of it. That is ancient Greek and Roman philosophy. Through this kind of exploration and study, we try to make the students grasp the philosophical spirit in a way. So, I sincerely hope, during the process of the course, you may come with me, stepping into the palace of Greek philosophy, to explore the origin of the philosophical spirit. Now let us begin the first lecture of the course. This lecture is an introduction to the whole course. I will explain three basic concepts: philosophy, religion, and culture, supplying the definitions and meanings of them, elaborating to the relationship between the three. The contemporary Western philosopher Bertrand Russell said that, strictly speaking, all the Western philosophy is Greek philosophy. This sentence is very helpful for us to understand the purpose of this course. The purpose of this course is, by using the method of classroom teaching and extracurricular reading, to grasp the rich thoughts of ancient Greek and Roman philosophers, to explore the origin of the philosophical spirit, to reveal the spiritual orientation of Western ancient ethnic groups, to clarify the characteristics of Western people, to help students grasp the basic spirit of philosophy, to cultivate ability of theoretical thinking, to nourish the lofty sentiments, to improve the humanistic nature. In addition to listening my lecture in classroom, I would like to recommend some reference books for your reading after class. The first, Bertrand Russell's Wisdom of the West. The second, written by Professor Heraclitus of Tsinghua University, The Spirit of the Western Philosophy. The other two books are written by me. One is A Concise History of Greek Philosophy, from Homer to Augustine. The another is The Cultural Transformation of the Roman Empire. I would like to make some requirements to you. First, listen carefully in classroom and take time to read the reference books. Second, take part in the discussion actively. Third, use the network and related internet website to exchange and communicate your ideas among yourself. Several years ago, I went to Lushan Botanical Garden to pay respects to Miss Chen Chua's tomb, who is the predecessor scholar of our Tsinghua University. On Mr. Chen's gravestone, it etched, "The spirit of independence and the thought of freedom." The 10 Chinese characters. As for the real meaning of Chen's famous words, we may discuss it in details in the future if we have opportunity. But I would like to send those words to you as a gift. Hope you may use them when you take this course. Implement, comprehend and develop the spirit which Mr. Chen advocated. Okay, now, we will start the first lecture. Philosophy, religion, culture. Firstly, I will trace the word geographic philosophy to its origin. In Western language, in the ancient Greek language, this word is written as, its Latin form is like this, philosophia. Actually, this is a compound word. Its first part, philo, means love. The second part is Sophia. Sophia means wisdom. Then, why are love and wisdom put together? Become philosophy. It is said like this: There was a Greek philosopher on 5th century BC. His name is Pythagoras. When he was asked what he did, he answered that I am a philosopher. That is, I am a person who loves wisdom. I am a philosopher. Philosophy as a kind of learning or discipline, since it is born till now. It has been a history of 2600 years. Because we are Chinese, our native language is Chinese. So, we should understand further that in our Chinese language, what's the meaning of zhi? Zhi, as a verb, it means to know, to understand, to grasp. It as a noun means wisdom. So very coincidentally, the most basic meaning of the philosophy in the West, or its primary meaning, is the pursuit of wisdom. While in Chinese, the meaning of zhi is to grasp the wisdom. The philosophia in the West, along with the Western culture's transmission, also spread into the East. In 70s of 19th century, the earliest Japanese philosophers, Shijo, who introduced Western philosophy into Japan, translated philosophia by the Chinese characters zhi. After that, Chinese scholars thought this translated name was quite good. Therefore, when the Western philosophy spread into China, Chinese people adopted this translated name to translate the Western word philosophia.